In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the time zone in Zoho People. Adjusting your time zone is a small step that can make a big difference, especially if you've moved to a new location, started working remotely from another region, or your company operates across multiple time zones. Getting this right ensures that your attendance, leaves, and other time-based records are accurate and aligned with your actual working hours. Let's start from the home dashboard inside Zoho People. This is the first screen you typically see after you log in. Before you begin, make sure you're on this main dashboard view, not inside any specific module like attendance or leave. If you're unsure, look for the main navigation or the standard landing page layout you see right after signing in. From the home dashboard, look toward the top or side area of the screen for a small icon with three dots. These three dots usually indicate additional options or a more menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This is where Zoho People stores some of your personal settings and preferences, so it's a good place to remember if you ever need to adjust other profile-related options later. After you click the three dots, a menu will open. In that menu, look for the option labeled Personal Preferences. This is the section that controls things like display options, regional settings, and, in this case, your time zone. Click on Personal Preferences to open that page. Once you're inside Personal Preferences, you'll see several settings grouped together. Take a moment to scan through the page until you find the time zone option. It may be near other regional settings like date format or language, depending on how your organization has configured Zoho People. Don't worry if the page looks a bit crowded. Just focus on locating the field or drop-down labeled Time Zone. When you find the time zone option, click on it to open the list of available time zones. This will usually be a drop-down menu that shows different regions and cities, often in the format of continent or region, followed by a major city, along with the corresponding UTC offset. Scroll through the list carefully and select the time zone that matches your current location or the time zone you're supposed to use for work. It's important to pick the correct one because this setting affects how your working hours, attendance logs, and other time-based data are recorded. After you've selected the new time zone, look for the Save button on the page. This is typically at the bottom or sometimes in the top corner, depending on your screen size and layout. Click Save to confirm your changes. Without clicking Save, your new time zone will not be applied, so make sure you complete this step. Once you've saved, Zoho People will update your profile with the new time zone. It's a good idea to quickly double check that the time zone now shows correctly in your personal preferences. You can also glance at any time-based sections like attendance or timesheets to make sure the timestamps make sense for your location. That's all you need to do. By updating your time zone in Zoho People from the home dashboard through the three dots menu into personal preferences and then saving your new time zone, you ensure that all your records stay accurate and consistent with your actual working hours.